Hi everyone, today I will show you what type of food I eat each day. Each day something else, of course, but always the same type of food. No inflammation, anti-cancer, omega-3, vegetable, crude, and my magic potion. Okay, today it's mussel with onions, and after that we add garlic, but non-cooked, only scratched. I don't know how to say that, sorry. I bought the big pack from Costco. I remove all the shell like this. I can see how much I will eat, and in a pack like this I can do 2 portions, and I need vegetable in the same time, cruciferous and celery. That's it. Have a nice day. I will show you 3-4 times per week what I eat to keep my good health and to not have a cancer back again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.